it's Vinny. Today I'm gonna make gochujang pork, simple version. Today I'm really lazy. I just gonna make in the plastic bag. 1 big spoon of the crushed garlic, 3 spoons of gochujang, and 3 spoons of soy sauce, and 3 spoons of sugar, and 2 spoons of vinegar, 1 spoon of sesame oil, and mix it well in the plastic bag. If mixing is done, put 6 steaks in the bag and close it and mix again with sauce with the steak and marinate like 30 minutes. Or you can put some vegetables like onions or carrots or mushrooms. I think I'm gonna put some onions in here. So heat it frying pan, put some oil and put the meat with some sauce. And if you know Korean style, you know what I'm gonna do. Scissors, just chop it with scissors. And when it's done for cooking, you just put in the rice together. Actually, I eat with lettuce together, like wrapped, you know, Korean barbecue, we wrap with lettuce like that. But I don't have lettuce today, so it's done for today. Anyway, this is done, and I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye!